Administrators have always wanted to know the answer to these simple questions. Where has my database been replicated, and how many replicas of this database do I have across my servers? The answer to this question is replicationEZ's Discover Replicas feature. To support this feature even further, we've also implemented a new way of loading our tools, the partially loaded mode. Since we'd like to get our hands on all replicas of one database, we can now select the database on our workspace or just start replicationEZ from an open database context. The Discover Replicas feature will now go ahead and look into the selected database's replication history. Whatever databases it finds there, it'll attempt to open the databases and look for the replication history. And this goes on until we've discovered everything. Once we're finished this process, keep in mind the following. In case of replicas where both the server and the replica file are accessible, we've actually added the server in question to this list of partially loaded servers here on the left. Also in the grid, notice the green color indicates that we could indeed open this database, while those in red indicate we were not able to access the replica found in the replication history. Now, besides the grid layout, which already gives us a pretty good idea of what's been happening to this one database, we also can see a graphical representation of where its replicas were found. The Discover Replicas chart shows us what we found using the replication history entries in a convenient graphical layout, and we can even see when the last replication happened and in which direction. And just like the data from the previous grid, this image can also be exported for reporting purposes. So as a result of this operation, we now have all active replicas we could find displayed not only in the Discover Replicas grid and in the chart, but also here in the main grid where we can start working with them.